So this skid steer, the glow plugs are broken on it, so we gotta give it a little shot of ether. Tire is also low on it, but that's no problem. That back tire is a little bit low, but that's no problem at all. I'm gonna let that warm up. I'll show you guys the totes that we're gonna be using. They're loading up today. Got the pickup on the skid steer trailer, we call it. So I'm gonna be hauling these back to town today. 5 of these totes we got to load up. They're all empty, so they're all gonna go back to my dad. So should be fun loading them up. I'm gonna set you guys down just for a second. I'll get this tire right up. Up. Let's get to loading. Alrighty. All these totes are loaded. It turns out this one right here was full of beans, food plot beans, I think. So, but it's alright. We got them all loaded, so it's ready to go. So now we can do the farm tour, part 2. I don't believe I've showed anything I'm going to show you guys. So first off is I believe it's a 03 or 04 maybe Chevy 2500 3/4 ton. It's the farm truck we call it. It's been pretty good to us. Nothing special really about it. Got the 180 night manure spreader. Excuse me. Use this to spread manure. Obviously, we've had it for probably, well, say close to 7-8 years. It's been a really good manure spreader. So it's got that conveyor in the bottom there. Just kind of brings it all back to the beater. So just put some new lag bolts in it yesterday, actually. So we had problems with this starting to come up. So fix that. Yeah. We can go out here. Around the corner we have our GMD 280 Kuhn hay mower. It's on this deck here, so it's a lot easier to hook up. Because the 3-point, it's a 3-point obviously, and sometimes cylinder ain't always down and it's kind of offset whenever you go to hook it up. So it's 9 foot, I believe. So 9-foot hay mower. We've had this for 2 years. We absolutely love it. We traded it off for a New Holland disc mower. It gave us a lot of problems in the past, but 540 PTO. Obviously the blades look a little bit rusty. We haven't used it for several months. For 4 or 5 months probably. Second accumulator. It's an 8-bale accumulator. It's just the accumulator, actually. It's not a grapple like the other one is, because the other one you can transform into a grapple. This is just regular accumulator. It goes on skid steer, obviously. It is for sale if anybody is interested. So, and our A&L 470 bushel auger wagon. It is 1,000 PTO. We use this there in the fall. I had 10 acres of corn I wanted to get out, so I used this a little bit, and it works pretty nice. I do wish the auger was up here in the corner, because now you got to kind of estimate, because it's right in the middle, so you got to estimate where to unload, stuff like that. So yes sir. And our, I believe it's 60 foot, maybe probably more, 60-foot Hutcherson auger, obviously used for putting corn in the grain bin. 540 PTO, brand new tires, works really well for us. And show you some of our older equipment, stuff we don't really use besides the hay racks, but it's an old trailer. And then we got a, I want to say 10-foot field cultivator, John Deere field cultivator, 12-foot Case IH disc, and then 14-foot Harrow, I believe. So Case, John Deere, and this is brand name is Bush Hog. So then we have an old New Holland sickle bar mower back here. So we just leave year before last, so 2 years ago. It worked pretty good, but just haven't really needed to use it. Here's an old running gear. And we got 4 John Deere hay racks. We need to put a rack on this one right here. And we got 3 16-footers John Deere hay racks, all brand new decks on them. So they work really nice. They pull really straight and you're hauling hay, so that's good. And John Deere 300 2-row corn picker, 38-inch wide. This is also for sale if anybody's interested. 540 PTO. Actually, let's see here. Yep, it is 1,000. My bad. Needs tires, needs hydraulic lines, but it worked when it was parked, so that's all I can say. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you would, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.